The very, very first time
I smoked DMT.
which looked like Fabergé eggs from
Hallucinations.
After this, there is no turning back. You take the blue pill, the story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill, you stay in Wonderland, and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes.